Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here, ready to embark on a journey that's all about making the most of what you already have. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on creative ways to refresh your life and your wardrobe. Have you ever looked at your closet and wondered what to do with clothes you no longer wear? Maybe some pieces hold memories while others just don't fit your style anymore. Today, let's discover how your old clothes can spark joy again by finding new purpose, new owners, and maybe even a little extra income. Whether it's donating, selling, or upcycling, there are so many creative options. This isn't about complicated plans, just simple, practical ways to give your clothes a second life. You'll be surprised at how easy and rewarding it can be to refresh your wardrobe and help others at the same time. Let's begin this journey and unlock the hidden potential in your closet. Together, we'll turn what you already own into something meaningful, useful, and maybe even a little magical. The first path is sharing your pre-loved clothes online. It's a wonderful way to pass on items you once cherished, giving them a second life with someone new. Online marketplaces make it easy to connect with people searching for unique finds and sustainable options. Start by gathering items that no longer spark joy, but still have plenty of life left in them. Think about pieces you enjoyed, but are now ready to let go. Clean each item and photograph them in good natural light. Show off their best features and details. A clear, inviting photo helps your listing stand out and attracts more buyers. Write honest, thoughtful descriptions, noting any flaws or special qualities. Sharing the story behind a piece can make it even more meaningful to its next owner. Set a fair price thinking about value, not just money. Consider what you'd pay for a similar item, and remember that your goal is to find it a happy new home. When an item sells, package it with care. Maybe add a thank you note or a small gesture. This extra touch can make the experience special for the buyer. Imagine the joy your item brings to its new owner. You're not just decluttering, you're spreading happiness and making a positive impact. This simple act lets your clothes begin a new chapter, while you create space for new memories and help build a more sustainable world. Some clothes are simply too worn or damaged to be donated or sold, but that doesn't mean their journey has to end here. Instead of tossing them out, take a closer look. There's hidden value in every piece of fabric. The texture, color, and patterns of old garments can inspire new projects. Even faded or frayed material can be transformed into something beautiful and useful. Try upcycling old t-shirts into soft, stretchy headbands or colorful scrunchies, perfect for gifts or personal use. Sturdy denim from jeans can be repurposed into durable tote bags, pouches, or even organizers for your home. Don't throw away small scraps. Combine them to create a vibrant patchwork quilt where every piece adds character and tells a unique story. Once you've finished your creations, share them online on platforms like Etsy, where people appreciate handmade, upcycled goods. Or bring your items to local craft fairs and markets to connect with your community and fellow makers. Take time to photograph your work and share the story behind each piece. People love knowing the history and care that goes into handmade items. Upcycling not only prevents fabric waste from ending up in landfills, but also gives you the chance to create one-of-a-kind treasures that can't be found anywhere else. So, give forgotten fabrics a beautiful, unexpected new life. Your creativity can turn yesterday's clothes into tomorrow's cherished keepsakes. Mending is a powerful, sustainable act. Practice sewing on your own old clothes, patch holes, sew buttons, hem pants. Offer your repair skills to friends and neighbors. A simple sewing kit is all you need to start. Restore garments so they can be worn and loved again. Post your services locally. People value trusted menders. Each repair is a small, meaningful way to make a difference. Bring people together with a clothing swap or garage sale. Invite friends and neighbors to exchange gently used clothes. For swaps, everyone brings items and takes home something new to them. For sales, organize and price items thoughtfully. Create a welcoming atmosphere. These events build community, reduce waste, and help everyone find new treasures. One person's clutter becomes another's favorite find. Strengthen local bonds while keeping good clothes out of the landfill. We've explored 4 ways to give clothes new life: selling, upcycling, mending, and community swaps. Choose the idea that excites you most and start small. Each step is a gift to yourself, your wallet, and the planet. Your closet is full of hidden opportunities. Embrace the joy of letting go and creating something new. Wishing you clarity, purpose, and joy on your journey. Please like and subscribe for more creative ideas.